Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cook with me. So today I will be making mixed veg hot and sour gravy with veg fried rice, and it is a delicious combo that you must try, and moreover super healthy because it doesn't include anything which is unhealthy and fried. Super healthy and delicious. So let's watch. So now I am making mixed veg hot and sour gravy, and for that I am taking one small bowl of tomato puree, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, baby corns, carrot, sweet corn, mushrooms, capsicum and onion. You can skip any vegetable if you don't like it. I am taking these. Now in a heated pan I am taking some oil. It is 1 tablespoon of oil. Now I'm adding chopped garlic. You can skip it if you don't like it. Now we'll saute onions. In this mixed veg sauce, we don't need to cook the vegetable until it's turned brown. We just need to slightly saute them. So now I'm adding baby corns. The baby corns are done, so now I'm adding chopped carrots. Now we'll add chopped capsicum. Now I am adding chopped mushrooms. Lastly, I am adding sweet corns. Now I am adding pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper. I am not adding too much of salt because I will be using sauces and it is already packed with salt. Now we'll let the vegetables cook for another 4 to 5 minutes and then we'll make the sauce. Now we'll start making the gravy, and for that I will be adding tomato puree. This is store-bought tomato puree. I have not made this at home, and if you make this sauce, do buy from outside only to give it that Chinese taste. Now I am adding half teaspoon of white pepper. It will give the authentic Chinese taste to this gravy, so do add it. These all sauces are needed to make this gravy, that is green chili sauce, vinegar, soya sauce, red chili sauce and ketchup. So now I am adding 1 teaspoon of ketchup, 1 teaspoon red chili sauce, 1 teaspoon green chili sauce, half teaspoon soya sauce. Now we'll mix it properly with the veggies. Now I am adding half teaspoon of vinegar. Now I am going to add 1 glass of water, and I will high the flame. We'll stir it very nicely so that the taste comes into the water. Can you look at the color? We'll let this gravy cook for another 5 minutes. As this hot and sour gravy must be sweet and sour in taste, so for that I am adding 1 small teaspoon of sugar. To make this gravy little thick, I am adding corn flour and water mixture. I have used 1 tablespoon of corn flour and added water to it. See how thick it has become? We just need this much consistency of the gravy, not too thick, not too slurry. The gravy is all ready to serve with rice or noodles of your choice. So we'll start by making veg fried rice, and for that I have soaked 1 glass of rice and I have chopped 1 capsicum, some French beans, some carrot and 1 onion. For fried rice we need boiled rice, so I am keeping water on gas to boil. The water has started to boil, so now we'll add the soaked rice. Meanwhile the rice are boiling, we'll start preparing the masala for the fried rice. In a heated pan, I'll put 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I will add chopped beans. Beans take a longer time to fry, so we'll keep them on medium flame. Now I'm going to add some chopped onions. Now I'm going to add some capsicum. Some chopped carrots. One teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper. That's it, we don't need any more masala for this. Now we'll add a little bit of soya sauce, 1 small teaspoon, and it's done. Now we'll see if the rice has cooked or not. Rice has also cooked properly, as you can see. We don't need to overcook them. Now we'll add this boiled rice to the veggies. I have strained the excess water, so now I'm adding these boiled rice to these veggies. Now I will mix this rice with the stir fry veggies. Very softly you need to do this so that the rice doesn't break. Veg fried rice are ready. So the mixed veg hot and sour gravy and veg fried rice are ready.